my name is Liesel. Today I will quickly show you a trick on how to make a bold font even bolder on Canva. You might need this when the bold option on the text is not bold enough, or if there isn't a bold option on the font that you would like to use. So if this is what you're looking for, come with me. To illustrate this quick tutorial, I have created two text lines. So there's the one and there's the second one. Okay, so for this example, I'm using the font Montserrat, and it does have a bold option on Canva. So you can simply click on bold and there your font is bold. That we know, and that's easy. But now we would like this line that says bold to be even bolder. So how will we do that? We will go to Effects. We will go to Outline. And then you can choose the thickness of your line. Choose the same color as what your font will be, so then you won't see the line anymore. Okay, and then what you can also do, because now all of these letters are too close to each other, you can just go to spacing, letter spacing, and make it a little bit wider. And let's make it a little bit bigger, so that our bold effect will really stand out. Okay, so now you can play around, because now you can see with the B it loses a little bit of the detail. So let's go back to Effects, go back to our outline, and we can just adjust. Let's stop it there, change our color back to the same color as the font, and there you go. I hope you found this helpful today. I hope you learned something new. If you've got any questions, please leave me a comment, and thank you so much for staying until the end. See you next time. Bye-bye.